Top 10 Disease Research Topics. Psychology, amyloid deposition and Alzheimer's disease. In this essay, you could explore the role of amyloid plaques in the pathogenesis of Alzheimer's, including the accumulation of beta-amyloid protein in the brain. Research understanding the amyloid cascade hypothesis and its implications for diagnosis and treatment. Additionally, discuss ongoing research efforts and potential therapeutic strategies. Ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. This essay focuses on the differences between ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease in terms of their location in the digestive tract, symptoms, treatment, and disease progression. Explore the underlying causes and potential risk factors for these conditions. You could also look into the impact of these diseases on patients' quality of life and ongoing research in the field. Physical activity's role in cardiovascular diseases. This paper outlines the benefits of regular physical activity. These include reducing the risk of heart disease and managing conditions like hypertension and obesity. You can discuss different types and intensities of physical activity and their effects on cardiovascular health. We recommend you also outline some strategies for promoting physical activity at the individual and community levels. Health promotion and disease prevention. While writing on this topic, you can explore the strategies and interventions for promoting healthy lifestyles, such as healthy eating, regular exercise, stress management, and immunizations. You could look at the role of healthcare providers, public health initiatives, and community engagement in fostering health promotion and disease prevention efforts. Air ventilation effectiveness for advanced disease patients. Delve into these patients' specific challenges, such as compromised respiratory function and infection susceptibility. You can analyze the role of air ventilation systems in maintaining air quality and reducing the risk of respiratory infections. Finally, outline the considerations for implementing appropriate air ventilation strategies in healthcare settings. Cardiovascular disease in African American population. A paper with this title describes the higher prevalence and increased risk factors for cardiovascular disease among African Americans. These include hypertension, diabetes, and socioeconomic disparities. What is the importance of culturally competent healthcare? Furthermore, discuss the role of lifestyle modifications and education in reducing cardiovascular disease burden among African Americans. Chronic kidney disease patients' support needs. This essay could discuss the physical and psychosocial challenges faced by CKD patients, including the impact on their quality of life and mental health. You could outline the need for comprehensive support services, such as patient education, counseling, dietary support, and social resources. Sexually transmitted diseases impacts. When writing this paper, mention the consequences of STDs on individuals and public health, including the physical, emotional, and social impacts. Outline the importance of education and access to healthcare services for effective STD control and management. You might want to discuss the stigma associated with STDs and the need for destigmatization efforts to promote testing and treatment for individuals affected. Type 2 diabetes, disease process and screening. What are the underlying causes, risk factors, and pathophysiology of type 2 diabetes? This paper discusses insulin resistance and impaired glucose regulation. Mention the significance of early detection and screening. You can outline medication management and education as essential components of diabetes management and prevention of complications. Brucellosis, gonorrhea, and Lyme disease in Miami. This essay describes the characteristics and transmission of each disease, including the symptoms and potential complications. Research the factors contributing to these diseases' prevalence in the Miami region. These involve climate, population demographics, and environmental factors. Find more research topics on studycorgi.com.